Muravardhanake, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Vani Government First Aid College, Hiriyur. Let us now talking about financial management. It is the important activity in any organization. It is the process of planning, organizing, controlling, and monitoring financial resources with a view to achieve organizational goals and objective. It is a process of planning nothing but before raising capital decided well in advance what about the amount of capital required, which type of asset purchased, volume, time, etc. are decided. For that purpose, the financial management goals can be achieved. In other terms, financial management is the application of general principle to management to the financial possession of an enterprise. Proper management of organizations finance provide quality, fuel and regular service to ensure sufficient efficient functioning. If finances are not properly dealt with, an organization will face barrier that may have severe repercussions on its growth and development. According to S.C. Kuchal, financial management deals with procurement of funds, nothing but raising of funds and their effective utilization in the business. What about the amount of fund raised? Overall amount should be properly profitability profitable investment of the business. So financial management deals with raising of finance and effective utilization of funds. Best investment is called financial management. According to Solomon, financial management concerned with efficient use of an important economic resources with capital fund. Here, whatever the economic resources, nothing but a capital fund is there. That that amount properly, efficiently, 100% used in the organization, we can achieve goals of the organization. Importance of financial management. Success of promotion depend on financial administration. So here success of promotion depends on financial administration, smooth running of enterprise, financial administration coordination coordinates various functional activities, focal point of decision making. The first and foremost importance of financial management will be success of promotion depends on financial administration. The promotion depends on financial administration, nothing but the funds, whatever the required is there, same amount can be raised through appropriate capital mix. No chances of shortage of amount or surplus amount. Second point will be smooth running of an enterprise. Smooth nothing but whatever the payments are there. These payments are paid regularly or untimely, namely payment to creditors, payment wages to workers, payment of rent, payment of repairs, etc. The business not take any problem, run efficiently and effectively with the availability of sufficient amount of cash. Financial third important importance of financial management will be financial administration coordinate various functional activities. So financial administration or good financial administration coordinate various functional activities, nothing but production activities or production department, sales activity, sales department, advertising activity, advisor. These are all the various functions run efficiently. There may be a need for sufficient amount of fund. Focal point of decision making. Focal point of decision making in the sense we can make which alternative is best, which source is best, which investment is best. Same manner we can make not only in the form of raising finance but also in the form of investment of proposal. It brings economic growth and development through investment, financing, dividend. Here, economic growth, expansion, and development of business activity is basically depend upon efficient investment, good raising of finance, dividend. Nothing but company's profit should be appropriate. Uh, company's profit should be appropriated or distributed among the shareholder, and risk management decision with help companies to undertake a better project. Better to reduce the risk. Risk nothing but overdue amount arises at the moment overall development of the organizations take place. When there is a good growth and development of the economy, it will ultimately improve the standard of living of all people. So here the development of business get leads to development of economy. Economy nothing but customers, workers, suppliers, and then shareholders. They receive the sufficient amount return in the form of dividend, in the form of wages, in the form of better selling price to its product, leads to overall society people growth developed of the economy or social sector. It will ultimately improve the standard of living of all the people. Standard of living of all the people is possible when the company pay higher wages or higher salaries, reasonable selling prices fixed to customer, etc. It leads to standard of living of the people. Third one will be improved standard of living will lead to good health and financial stress will reduce considerably. So in order to improve the standard of living, good health, the sense when there is a risk, there will be the chances of bad health. Risk can be or risk or stress should be discontinued or less or minimized at the moment. Risk are minimized considerably, good health will be possible. Next will be it enables the individual to take better financial decision which will reduce poverty, reduce debt, increase saving and investment. So, with the help of financial management, better financial decision taken by the general public reduce the poverty, reduce the debts, increases savings and investment. Goals of financial management: profit maximization, EPS maximization, liquidity maximization, solvency maximization, minimization of risk, minimization of cost of capital, wealth maximization. So, goals of financial management basically discussed with profit maximization. More profit will be possible only in the case of better financial decisions taken. Nothing but a proper raising of finance, proper investment, and estimate the amount of capital required are done in the hands of the financial manager. Profit maximization take place. So EPS, earning per share maximization. So financial management gives more profitability. More profitability gives profit available to shareholders after deducting interest, expenses, preference dividend to preference shareholders. The use profit will be available to equity shareholders divided by number of equity share. At that moment, we get more EPS, earning per share maximization will be possible. Third one, liquidity maximization. The liquidity maximization is possible only with the help of financial management. So here liquid assets maintained by the company. So liquid asset nothing but a cash in and cash at bank are the most important liquid asset. When the company raising proper finance or debt equity mix and proper investment, proper planning, required amount of capital, it leads to more profitability. More profitability in turns, more amount of funds are available in the form of cash as well as cash at bank. Next will be solvency maximization. The word solvency nothing but assets are more but liabilities are less. The company growth expansions take place or the company earning a sufficient amount of profit, more assets will be available than compared to liabilities. When the assets are more but liabilities are less, called as solvency. So here the financial management mainly concerned with the maximization of output with the minimum cost. It leads to profit maximization. Profit maximization leads to solvency maximization. Next point will be minimization of risk. Financial management goal will be risk minimization. In order to minimization of risk possible when the company having a sufficient regular flow of funds. Flow of funds take place, sale of goods for cash, amount collection from debtors, etc. With the help of these amount or receipts, we can easily pay the day-to-day expenses. Next will be minimization of cost of capital. So here the financial management give much importance to minimization of cost of capital, nothing but obtaining loans and advances at that moment, which is the less costly securities can be raised for collection of proper capital of the organization. Another will be wealth maximization. Wealth maximization increase the profitability of the shareholder is called as wealth maximization. So wealth maximization is also possible with the help of financial management. Mr. Time. Have I told it, huh? ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ತೆಗೆದಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. Goals of the finance